I'm going to build an electric skateboard. This is part 1. So, in this video I'm going to unbox this deck and wheels and everything. This is a complete longboard which I have bought to make electric. So if you want to skip this part, which is not the build at all, only the unboxing of the longboard, you can skip to part 2 when part 2 comes out for the build of the electric skateboard. And before I begin the video, I wanna say thank you to everyone at eskate.builders.com. Guys in that forum, you have been really supportive. You have come with a lot of tips on how you build an electric skateboard, and I am super excited to do this. I have ordered all the parts, and this is the first thing that got dropped in my mailbox. So I'm gonna unbox this. That's a lot of bubble wrap or whatever this is. This longboard is 95 centimeters long with a kicktail. So I'm actually unsure if this is big enough. So before I unbox it any further, I have to check how it feels. Okay, so I measured it and everything, and I think my enclosure will work on this board. It's the enclosure will go up to like here, so it shouldn't be a problem. I think the reason I think this board felt a little bit smaller was because it's not like my old board. It's a kicktail, and it's not this like drop deck kind of shape which I've had in the past. So I think that's the reason I think it feels like it's a little bit smaller. But I really like the board, and I think it will work good. And in worst case scenario, well, you know, I'll have to find some other deck like in the future, but I think this will hold up really good for now. Yes. 5 centimeters long. It's a kicktail which makes it easier to turn, and also it looks cool. The longboard is bought from Decathlon, and it's a store located all around Europe. Spain, Italy, France. You can buy this longboard practically anywhere in a European country. This is Decathlon's own longboard brand called Olexo, and the longboard costs around 80 euro, but you might have to add a little bit of shipping cost to it. It's stated that the board is stiff on their webpage, but from my flex test I must say it's quite flexy. I hope it doesn't affect my enclosure too much, because, you know, if the board is flexy, I might not be able to mount the enclosure on the board, but I hope it will work. The wheels are 70mm, but I will change to 82mm wheels for my build. I really wish these wheels were bigger because they look and feel really nice, and I really like them. The bearings are ABIC 7. I don't know the quality of them yet, so I can't really say much about them. The deck has this lumberjack cabin in the woods / hipster feel to it. It's a dark brown made of 100% maple wood, and it has this pattern on the underside of the board. The deck is also slight concave, which will be good and will help with control during rides. So thanks for watching, guys. In the next video I will be building the skateboard. And as we say in Swedish, ha en bra dag, så ses vi nästa gång.